Hello guys, welcome back to the Mexican food channel. In today's video, we will teach you how to make this delicious fajita street tacos from the comfort of your home. So don't go anywhere and stay tuned. Look at this, perfect for Taco Tuesday. We're gonna start off with our meat. Here we have fajita. Using a sharp knife, we're gonna cut it into thin slices and remove any excess fat. Be careful not to cut yourself. Once you're done cutting all of your meat, we're gonna start to marinate it. Here we have about 4 limes. We're gonna just squeeze the lemon on top of the meat. After that, you're gonna add your favorite meat seasoning. Here I'm using lemon pepper. You're gonna repeat this process until you season all of your meat. Once you're done seasoning all of your fajita, go ahead and add it to a bowl. Next, we're gonna use white onion. You're only gonna need half of it. Go ahead and cut it and add it to your fajita. The onion will help give it more flavor. Once you're done cutting your onion, go ahead and add in the rest of your lemon juice. Give it a quick mix. Next, we're gonna add in a tad bit of olive oil. This will help tenderize your meat. If you want your fajita a little spicy, go ahead and add a tad bit of red crushed pepper. Now you're gonna add all of your meat into a plastic bag. You're gonna let it marinate for about 2 to 3 hours, if not overnight. The longer you leave it, the more flavorful your meat becomes. Make sure to take out all of the air before you seal your meat. With our tacos, we're gonna make a delicious red salsa. For your salsa, you'll need about 8 chiles arbor, 3 tomatoes, and 3 garlic cloves. Cut up a sheet of aluminum foil and add it on top of a warm pot. Add in your 3 tomatoes and cover them so they can start to roast. Do this on medium-low heat. Now for the garlic and the chiles árboles, on a hot pot, add in olive oil, add in your garlic and your chiles árboles and mix. Constantly stir these ingredients because you do not want them to burn. Let the chiles burn, your salsa will come out sour. So constantly stir, stir, stir. After 2 to 3 minutes, you will see that your chiles and your garlic are starting to change color and turn a little toasted. You'll know that it's ready then. All done, transfer them into a bowl to keep them from overcooking while we wait on the tomatoes. Now that it's been about 2 to 3 minutes, let's go check on these tomatoes. You want these tomatoes to cook evenly, so throughout the time that they're cooking, go ahead and flip them over. Make sure that every side of the tomato is soft. That's how you will know that your tomatoes are ready. Add in all the juices left in the aluminum foil, that's where all the flavor is. Add in the garlic and the chiles. Add in some salt and then take it to blend. Look at that. That salsa was so easy and fast to make. I hope you guys like it when you try it.
Now,
add in your fajita. You're gonna cook your meat on medium-low for about 4 minutes on each side. And it's all done. Just go ahead and transfer it so you can let it set for about 10 minutes. You guys, I'm trying so hard not to eat a piece right now. Set your meat aside so we can work on the toppings for your tacos. Here we have the other half of the white onion. We're going to finely chop it up. Chop, 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 chop it up. Once you're done, go ahead and add it into a small bowl. And we're gonna move on to the next topping, the cilantro. As with the onion, you will finely chop this up too. You cannot have your street tacos without cilantro and onion, that's for sure. Once you're done, go ahead and transfer it into a separate bowl. Now for the tortillas. Go ahead and add some olive oil into a hot pan. Spread it out evenly and then add in your tortillas. Usually street tacos come with double tortillas, so make sure you warm up enough. We're just gonna flip them over so they can cook on both sides. Once they're done cooking, I'm gonna add them to the plate and make some more tortillas. Now it's time to assemble these delicious street tacos. Bring out your meat. Here we have the meat already cut into small pieces. Cut up some lime so you can eat it with your tacos. Grab your 2 tortillas. Add in your meat. Add in your cilantro. And then add in the onion. And let's not forget about the red salsa, la salsa roja. Last but not least, add in your lemon juice on top of your taco. And in it goes. Delicious. Look at these delicious street tacos. The salsa roja with chiles árboles goes perfect with these tacos. Well guys, this is it for this recipe. I hope you guys try it out and enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos and follow us on Instagram.